Big Adventures by Little Dick. Today we're scrubbing off, removing all the barnacles and rubbish from the bottom of the hull, bring the boat into the jetty, let the tide go out and let the boat settle onto the hard surface. Once the water has drained away from the tide, you've probably got about 12 hours before it's going to come back in a similar position again. Get your Wellington boots on, get down there, get your high pressure washer out and all your little garden tools such as brushes and things and start brushing it off. Once you've done that, you then need to put some anti-fouling on the bottom of the boat. It goes on quite easily, but you must dry off the hull first. Once you're happy all the barnacles are off and you've anti-fouled up the bits you need to check the anodes and everything else just to make sure they're still in good working order. Then it's really just time to sit back, have a beer and wait for the tide to come back in again. Once the tide comes in, just sail away. Happy days. Big Adventures by Little Dick.